Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna talk about the Miranda Cracraft accident. I today I'm gonna talk about the Miranda Cracraft accident. Okay, next is who is Miranda Cracraft? Miranda Rose Cracraft was the daughter of Michael Derricks and the stepniece of Jason and Mark Fishback, and she was a licensed cosmetologist, a 2017 graduate of Fayetteville Ferry High School and Southern Hills Career Technical Center, and a member of the Georgetown Church of Christ. On June 19, 2018, Miranda died in a traffic collision alongside her 24-year-old passenger Carson Hall. On June 24, 2018, Mark informed his audience about Miranda. Mark is markiplier, and um, postponing Mark informed his audience about Miranda, postponing his future projects and setting up a memorial fund on GoFundMe for his late niece before going on a brief hiatus. Funeral service were held on June 25, 2018, and Cracraft's burial was on June 26, 2018, at the Georgetown Church of Christ. Um, Next is how did this accident happen? A car and semi collided on US 52 southeast of Neville at about 2 p.m. 19-year-old Miranda Cracraft was traveling eastbound on US 52 with 24-year-old Carson Hall in the passenger seat of her 2008 Mazda 3. Preliminary investigation suggests that Cracraft drove off the right side of the road, re-entered the roadway, and then traveled left of center when it was struck by a 2008 Freightliner. The impact caused extensive damage to both vehicles. Cracraft and Hall were both pronounced dead at the scene. The crash remains under investigation. US 52 was closed past Nickville. It has since reopened. Next is who caused this accident. This accident is still in investigation as news stated before. As you can see there at late line number 8. And as news stated before, the crash remains under investigation. US 52 was closed past Nickville. It has since reopened. And next is theory why this accident happened. As news stated before, preliminary investigation suggests that Cracraft drove off the right side of the road, entered the roadway, and then traveled left of center where he was struck by a 2008 Freightliner and line 496. Um, as you can see there, I stated before in this news statement. And next is the crash remains under investigation at line 8 and 9, so we still not sure um um because this crash remains still under investigation. um Next is, as this news stated, yes, you can see it at this news statement. This might be the reason why this accident happened. As you can see that um preliminary investigation suggests that Cracraft drove off the right side of the road, re-enter the roadway. So it's dangerous to um, enter certain road. And next is how to avoid the accident. How to avoid accident: drive slow and be careful. You have to watch the vehicles. Drive slow and be careful. Next is the end. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. As you can see at that picture, um, click notification bell, like this video, share and comment. This is OKI signing out.